From your backyard to the mountains, Jackery has your outdoor power needs covered with the all-new Explorer 1000. One of the most powerful and compact portable power stations on the market. Weighing only 22 pounds with an easy carry handle, the lithium battery generator packs a massive 1,002 watt-hours and is much more travel-friendly than traditional fuel generators. Our system features 3 AC outlets, a carport, 2 USB and 2 USB-C ports, including Quick Charge 3.0 technology to power your devices more efficiently. A smart LCD display provides accurate input, output, and battery level readings, while the side of the unit features a bright LED flashlight with an SOS function in case of emergency. Take the Explorer 1000 with you everywhere, and you'll never need to worry about running out of power again. Once the unit reaches low power, you can plug it into a wall outlet, car charger, generator, or better yet, try pairing it with our 100-watt solar panels to recharge on the go and completely eliminate your carbon footprint. We've equipped the unit with an MPPT solar charge controller to offer up to a 20% increase in charging efficiency. Set up the ultimate campsite and power your lights, coffee machines, coolers, and even your CPAC machine, ensuring a good night's sleep in the tent. And when the adventure takes you to the backyard, be the life of the party, bringing you and your friends quiet, clean energy while powering multiple devices simultaneously. The unit meets the power supply needs of more high-power electrical devices, so in the event of a power outage, you can rest easy knowing that your Explorer 1000 can serve as a backup generator to keep your essential appliances up and running. Whether you're going camping, road tripping, or just need an emergency power solution, the Jackery Explorer 1000 has your outdoor power needs covered.
Move quickly and keep your pack light as you sleep under the stars with the Space Cowboy sleeping bag, a lightweight synthetic bag built for intense pursuits in mild temperatures. At Therm-a-Rest, we build products to improve your experiences in the outdoors by engineering lighter, stronger, and more comfortable gear for camp. The Space Cowboy is our 45-degree Fahrenheit, 7 degrees Celsius sleeping bag built with airloft insulation to keep you warm and dry during fast and light adventures. We use a 65-35 distribution on this bag, placing more fill on the top and less on the bottom where the fill gets compressed. The synthetic fibers also repel water to keep you dry in damp conditions. Our airloft insulation was engineered with hollow fibers to shed weight while boosting heat capabilities. By pairing the bag with an insulated mattress, you get a warmer bag for less weight. The bag seamlessly integrates with your mattress using our Synergy Link connectors. This reduces heat loss, maximizes efficiency, and utilizes the warmth of your insulated mattress. Our zoned insulation makes the Space Cowboy one of the lightest and most compact bags in its class. It weighs in at a mere 19 ounces or 0.54 kilos. The Space Cowboy can be used alone or as part of a sleep system. Sewn-in loops allow you to pair the bag with a Therm-a-Rest quilt or blanket. For colder conditions, the bag can be used as a sleeping bag liner for added warmth. Venture deep into the backcountry with the Space Cowboy and enjoy comfort and security under the stars.
The Talkie is a rugged, handheld radio created for use in outdoor sports, like climbing and skiing. We focused on 4 key aspects when designing it. The first was durability. The radio comes with a shatterproof screen and thermoplastic covering to protect it during rugged use. Next was making the radio simple to use. Our carabiner and backup leash system allows you to easily secure it to straps and harnesses, and the radio itself is compact and only weighs about 5 ounces. From day one, we knew that the radio needed a great battery life. We developed a specialized lithium-ion battery that provides around 3 to 5 days of use, even in very cold conditions. Our final focus was on getting the best possible range. The radio uses the maximum transmission power allowed by the FCC, while still remaining license-free. In our testing here in Colorado, we typically get around 1 to 5 miles of range in the backcountry and a maximum line of sight range of over 25 miles. We created the Rocky Talkie to help keep us safe doing the things that we love. In support of this mission, for each radio that we sell, we donate $2 to mountain rescue teams. Thanks for checking out our product. Keep adventuring and stay safe.
Designed for easy transport and storage, it carries the snowshoes inside or out and features a place for poles. Outside, rugged panels withstand abrasion from the snowshoes. Inside offers easy access and a zippered pocket for small items. The foam seat is perfect for lunch stops or snack breaks. This kit offers ultimate in grab-and-go convenience.